Welcome to Digital Transformation Forum, where we talk everything about digital transformation. Digital transformation is the process of modernizing the company's system and operations. In order to understand the role of IT landscape in the digital transformation process, we begin by looking at what it might look like for a company just beginning its journey of transformation. It is important to consider the existing IT architecture and how these different components are connected. This helps identify gaps that needs to be addressed in order to achieve the desired outcome of a successful digital transformation. Our team has chosen to split today's video into two parts because it has become quite long. An IT landscape is an enterprise architecture visualization showing the appearance, structure, and workings of IT assets in an organization. It is an important factor to consider when mapping out a digital transformation strategy, as it will be the foundation from which all the future technological advancements are built upon. Moreover, having a comprehensive IT landscape gives organizations a clear picture of the current state of their IT infrastructure, as well as a better understanding of the opportunities and challenges they might face. As there are different types of landscapes, and showing all of them in one picture would result in an extremely complex one, a view of an IT landscape is typically filtered for a particular type or so-called architecture layer. Putting all the different views of the layers into each other would provide the full IT landscape. Next, we will see different architecture layer. The Open Group Architecture Framework, commonly known as TOGAF, is the most used framework for enterprise architecture as of 2020 that provides an approach for designing, planning, implementing, and governing an enterprise information technology architecture. TOGAF provides its own set of layers. Although the TOGAF layers itself are rather outdated, it still acts as a base for the origin of today's model called BAIT, which is an acronym for Business, Application, Information, and Technology. An additional layer that is becoming more famous is the Security Architecture layer, which is sometimes added as a fifth layer, but now it is centralized to the organizations. Enterprise architect always has a dilemma on the topic to prioritize for implementation. This can be bridged by the management by correctly defining three aspects: strategic vision and goal, strategic roadmap, capabilities to deliver. This will help enterprise architect to know the target areas for focus based on capabilities that needs to be changed. As there are many layers of an enterprise IT landscape, it is to be assumed that we neither can cover all of them in a single video, nor can we show any one wholly. The main reason behind that is different companies adapt different types of landscapes. Depending on the nature of the business, the landscape might differ to more basic to a multi-layer interconnected landscape. So we will select a few basic key areas and take it from there. Here is one such example suitable for automotive, aerospace, healthcare, and heavy machinery sector. Be it an OEM or a tier 1, 2, or 3 level supplier. They all will more or less have above business areas which can be transformed digitally, hence fitting into our digital transformation landscape. We will go into each of it briefly. But first, a generic overview as which software are market leaders in each of the business key areas. Now let us briefly look at each of them individually. A short disclaimer: we won't get into the specifics of what software can help us digitize the data or digitalize our processes. Instead, we will concentrate on what can revolutionize the way we make decisions or conduct businesses. Let's start with how business interact with customer to either sell their product or launch a survey for a product idea. One method is through websites, TV commercials, social media, or an old-fashioned one through events or social gatherings. These strategies are crucial when marketing or conducting research for the release of a new product. While sharing a link or information with an existing client base can be proved beneficial via emails, SMS, on mobile phones, or in-person visit to a branch or store, we are gathering a significant amount of information and we need a lot of tools to analyze it. Here comes Google Analytics, which provides in-depth analysis of how users interact with websites and mobile apps by offering comprehensive reporting and analysis. It enhances our understanding of our clients and helps us make better decisions that increase return of investment. According to BuiltWith, as of April 2022, 73.7% of the 10,000 most popular websites were using Google Analytics, making it the most popular website statistics platform. Another useful tool for a management standpoint is Power BI, which can integrate with practically any software, application, or connector. Together, these tools may transform data from unrelated sources into visually appealing and engaging insights. Data visualization, which is most focused on business intelligence, is its strong suit. Any company that has clients offers a customer experience, whether the company is aware of it or not. Customer experience is based on the impressions and opinions of the customer, as the name implies. The totality of a customer's perception and emotions as a result of their encounters with a brand's product and services is known as the customer experience. It spans the lifetime of customers' relationship with a brand, starting before a purchase is made, continuing to active use and advancing to renewal or repeat purchase. Customer experience and customer relationship management are technologically distinct from one another. While CRM collects data through batch or manual entry, CXM allows for a real-time data flow to provide deeper insights into customer behavior and preferences. Customer experience describes the emotions, judgment, and reaction that a customer has throughout every step of the process, from researching the product to making the purchase and even beyond, such as reviewing the product and service and potentially recommending it to others. On the other hand, the interaction a customer has with the company's personnel, who are frequently customer support agents, before and after a purchase are all that constitute customer service. Customer service and customer experience are two words that are linked yet distinct from one another. Tesla provides the best example of a great customer experience. Mr. Musk is one of the few CEOs that you can actively interact with on Twitter, and people do so. A Tesla driver complained to Mr. Musk through Twitter that the chimes and other sound in Tesla cars were disturbing his kids, who were sleeping in the rear. Joe is the name of the individual. Elon liked it and turned it into a reality by naming the feature Joe Mode, in recognition to the man who had the original idea. Sitecore and Adobe Enterprise Manager stands out as the global leader for customer experience. A product configurator or configuration software assists you in selecting options for a product to meet the individual needs of your customers. An automated product configurator for the customer can not only digitalize the process but also shorten the quote time frame and accelerate getting the order into production. Most companies create quote and specification manually. When creating and manufacturing unique or customizable products, many businesses use product configurators. But when it comes to placing an orders, the process becomes exceedingly tedious or even manual. Even the most complicated goods may be configured easily, setting customer experiences apart from those of rival brands. User can be intelligently guided through the product configuration process by rules and logic, and 3D visualization options can instantly show customers what they have made as they make choices. You can see how simple a product configurator can be by taking a look at Tesla's car configuration. The URL will be included in the description below. The rapid increase in online transactions is evidence of how important payment gateways are to your business. Services called payment gateways handles the transaction process for your business. They protect your business by providing secure and simple transactions and minimizing losses brought on by late payments. A payment gateway can be defined as a network that your clients use to send you funds. The point of sale terminals used as the majority of physical stores are remarkably similar to payment gateways. Customers and businesses must collaborate while using a payment gateway in order to complete a transaction. The payment gateway examines the customer's card information after they have placed an order and determines whether they have enough money in their account to pay you. The top 5 suppliers of online payment gateways are Fondi, PayPal, Authorize.net, Stripe, 2Checkout, and Adyen. They provide a wealth of useful features that can boost sales by speeding up the checkout process and giving your customers a variety of payment options in different currencies. The marketing landscape for business has drastically transformed into the modern knowledge economy. Businesses must adjust to these changes if they want to effectively market their products, draw customers, engage with them, and eventually keep them as clients. Those that don't will be left behind. Customer relationship management, or often called as CRM, is a collection of data-driven, integrated software tools that manage, track, and store information about the existing and potential clients for your business. Business team can obtain the insight they require at any time by keeping this data in a single system. They speed up administrative tasks and offer useful insights thanks to built-in business intelligence and artificial intelligence capabilities in today's CRM software. In other words, modern CRM software provide immediate visibility into and access to everything necessary to establishing, enhancing, and maintaining client connections for teams in sales, marketing, commerce, field service, and customer support. Salesforce and Microsoft Dynamics 365 are competing industry leaders in marketing and CRM field for a reason. Both are well built, well designed, and integrate extensively with hundreds if not thousands of apps. Our observation: Salesforce is best suited for younger companies and smaller businesses because of its lower starting price and its extensive integration with third-party applications. Whereas Microsoft Dynamics 365 is better for larger and more established businesses, especially ones that already use the Microsoft Office suite extensively. Do you know why the market for enterprise resource planning (ERP) software has existed for more than 40 years? As a result of ERP software harmonization of data flow between a company's business processes, which creates a single source of truth and streamlines activities throughout the enterprise. It can integrate the financials, inventories, production planning, sales, operations, commerce, manufacturing, and human resources activities of an enterprise into a single platform. In plain English, it enables enterprises in managing and automating core business processes for optimum performance. Although there is no all-up solution for every business process, ERP technology is getting better and better at bringing processes together. After your processes, systems, and data are connected, you'll get the business intelligence, acceleration, and adaptability you need to start optimizing your operations. Enterprise resource planning software concentrates on a company's internal work processes, whereas supply chain management software works with the data of raw materials from external suppliers. This is the main distinction between SCM and ERP. The majority of ERP software today features fully integrated business solution and has been extensively expanded to include supply chain management. Microsoft Dynamics, SAP, Workday are the main competitors in the enterprise resource planning and SCM sector. Many of you might know that there are two forms of e-commerce, right? When the phrase e-commerce is spoken, most people immediately think of business to customer, commonly known as B2C transactions. We engage in B2C e-commerce every day, whether it's ordering books, shoes, or clothing online, or making hotel and travel arrangements. B2B, business to business e-commerce, is the electronic exchange of information between two businesses, as opposed to a consumer and a business, as the name of the practice suggests. The B2B e-commerce technology that is currently most widespread today is called Electronic Data Exchange, commonly known as EDI. It involves the regular electronic data exchange between business partners and suppliers. We mean exchange of business documents like purchase order, invoices, vendor registration, and so on from computer to computer. Since the 1980s, EDI has been used in a variety of sectors, including retail, finance, manufacturing, high-tech industries, and services, and it continues to be a game changer. The firms involved must strive to be tightly linked with one another as feasibly in order to reap the benefits of EDI. Businesses in the 21st century require their network of suppliers, customers, logistics providers, and banks to operate in a way that supports digital integration. Key players in this area are SPS, Appiant, EDI.com, Oracle, and CloudBlue, a comprehensive dynamic software system known as a manufacturing execution system, or oftenly known as MES, tracks documents and manages the entire manufacturing process from raw material to finished goods. An MES system serves the functional layer between process control system and enterprise resource planning, giving decision makers the insights they require to improve plant floor productivity. It is not a question of choosing between MES and ERP in the modern production environment. Rather, MES and ERP combined deliver operational clarity that neither system alone can. The foundation of smart factories is cloud connectivity, which enables the autonomous interaction of advanced production systems, devices, products, and equipments. Sensors and industrial Internet of Things devices are collecting and producing data continuously across the supply chain. This real-time data exchange enables smart factories to enhance their operations over time by automating better workflows, personalized products and services, and become smarter and more effective. Additionally, enterprises can benefit from customized production, a major trend in the development of industrial execution system with the use of MES software. Your smart factory might go from mass production to mass personalization in order to quickly and affordably meet the demand for less expensive, more customized products. Artificial intelligence can handle predictive maintenance, increase production efficiency, and decrease waste. Production lines can become smarter and more productive by utilizing machine learning capabilities. Manufacturers can replicate processes and explore room for improvement using virtual reality. Additionally, they can integrate augmented reality tools to cut down on production stoppage and improve shop floor operations. By quickly and correctly responding to customer demand with tailored products that are more affordable and of greater quality, organizations are better able to compete in the digital era. Manufacturing execution system market leaders include Plex, Dassault System, Siemens AG, and Oracle Group. Modern vehicles are no longer just mechanical. Most of the car's functionality is now controlled by software, embedded into electronic control units, ECUs. The functionality of a vehicle is driven by customers' expectations and leads to product variety since customers want their own personalized and unique vehicle. ECU configurations consisting of different software and hardware play a vital role in providing the variability. Since the functionality of a car is driven by customer expectations, the number of features is growing at a constant pace, and as a result, the number of ECUs is also increasing rapidly. Today, a vehicle contains around 70 control units, but this number is expected to continue growing with the rise of electric vehicles. In addition, the complexity of software embedded in an ECU is increasing as well. Software testing is thus becoming one of the most important and crucial factors in car development lifecycle. According to the survey, companies dedicate around 50% of the software development time and cost for testing only. On top of that, in the automotive industry, there is a tendency for shorter development cycles and several parallel projects. This combined makes keeping track of software and hardware configuration challenging, especially in pre-production vehicles where changes are introduced very often. There is also a risk that testing is performed on the wrong vehicle configuration. Engineers use measurement module to calibrate, validate, and diagnose automotive electronic systems and to acquire reliable data from those systems and the vehicle environment. Vehicle Configuration and Test System (VCAT) is used specifically for software download and diagnostic testing at the production plant. It was developed to assist plants in building cars. VCAT is a fully automated tool. Download scripts are created in advance and stored on the server. The user just needs to read out the car ID, VIN, and press a button to start the download process. The system will perform the whole job automatically. In addition, the tool has the capability of downloading files much faster because of parallel downloads. Facilities management is a management discipline that focuses on providing logistical and other support services related to real estate and buildings in an effective and efficient manner. According to the International Organization for Standardization (ISO), it integrates people, location, processes, and technology to ensure the built environment is functional, comfortable, safe, and effective. Something that is constructed, installed, or established with a specific purpose is referred to as a facility. Examples include real estate, buildings, technical infrastructure, heating, ventilation and air conditioning, lighting, transportation, IT services, furniture, custodial grounds, maintenance grounds, and other specific machinery and appliances. The facility manager operates across business functions, and the responsibility covers safety, health and environment, fire safety, security, maintenance, testing and inspections, cleaning, operational, business continuity planning, space allocation and changes. For facility management, there are primarily two types of software available: Computerized Maintenance Management System (CMMS) and Computer Aided Facility Management (CAFM). The CMMS software is a digital platform that is solely dedicated to managing maintenance operations for facility and equipment. Contrarily, CAFM software is a tool designed to assist facility managers in planning, carrying out, and overseeing responsibilities related to asset management, plant and workspace management, reactive and preventive maintenance services, room reservations, and other administrative support tasks. Facility managers can uncover trends and examine many aspects of the facility with the use of this digital tool, which then enables them to make informed decisions. Like CMMS, CAFM software may track, report, and maintenance data to give facility manager a more accurate picture of the business cost. Additionally, CAFM makes it possible to view the history of work orders and repairs, keep track of warranty information, and assess data on the state of important assets. Finally, CAFM has a supplier database that can be utilized to more effectively hire outside help when needed. This component combines vital information like the supplier location, certifications, and contact detail with the ability to create work order invoices and gather customer feedback on supplier performances. And that is all for today. We will continue our journey in exploring the IT landscape further in our next video. Please let us know which area of your organization is already on the journey of digital transformation. Feel free to comment if you like us to make videos on a specific topic. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.